Nowadays, if you want to be successful, you need to have an awesome personal brand. You need a personal brand like this guy. But let me tell you, you are lucky. Thanks to artificial intelligence, it's insanely easy to design a logo for your own personal brand, and it doesn't take any graphic knowledge at all. In this artificial intelligence Einstein video, I will do a review of a tool called Logo AI. How does the logo creator work? How can you create marketing logos with Logo AI? How much does it cost to create a professional logo? First, you need to access the official website. The link is in the description. Click on Let's Create a Logo and you are ready to go. Now you type in your brand name and, if you want, a slogan for your brand. At that point, I realized I hadn't created a slogan for my Einstein until now, so I went quickly to GPT to create one. Where artificial intelligence meets genius. I like that slogan. So let's return to Logo AI and continue with our fantastic logo. Select the industry you want to have your brand in. Select your favorite color and your style, and you are done with the difficult part. Logo AI now creates many different logos for you. Just choose your favorite one for the final editing. Don't they look fantastic? I love that they included my slogan under the logo. For me personally, it was super hard to choose since every created logo looked quite cool. But finally, I decided on that one. Theoretically, you could already buy your finished logo, but if you give me a second, you will know how to make them a little bit more professional, how much the logo costs, and at the end of the video, I will recommend an awesome tool that brings your artificial intelligence art to the next level. You can change the color, font, layout, and style of your logo in the editing section to make it more unique and professional. Especially the font feature has some cool results. Now let's talk about cash. How much do you need to pay for Logo AI? You basically have three choices. The regular package costs about $29. This package should be fine for you if you only need the logo up to 800 to 600 pixels. If you need the picture in a higher resolution, you would need to pay around $59 for your logo. If you want the high resolution, want to add the logo in the brand center to your merchandise, and want to animate your logo, then you need to pay $99 for the brand package. Now it's getting exciting. What rating from 1 to 10 do I give to Logo AI? Since it is quite easy to use, has some cool results, and is a lot cheaper than creating a logo in a graphic studio, I would give Logo AI a rating of 9 out of 10. Tell me in the comments what rating you would give Logo AI. If you want, you can also tell me for which tool I should do the next iTool review. Now, as promised, one recommendation: if you want to make your logo even cooler, try to animate it in 3D with Leopix. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.